Hi all, we have this problem with us, and how do you solve this? First step is to read and understand the problem well, right? So what is it that we are going to do? We'll have this equation with us, right? Now we have to find out this inequality to hold true. So for that, I will suggest you to do is to first get this expression into productized format. So in order to do that, basically we have to split this expression. How do you do that? You have to find out what is there. So let us say that we write it in this format, right? So 32n minus 28, yeah, and this is equals to, first of all, let us see, we are writing it in this format, 7n square minus 4n square. So basically this 11 we split it into 7 and 4, right? And once we do that, let us split it in this 28 and 4, right? Minus 28. Now you might be thinking that what we are trying to do here. So basically, why did we split it in this certain manner? So basically what we are trying to get to is n minus 7, right? So any root, we thought that 7 might be a good root because of this 28. So basically this is 4 into n minus 7, right? And this is minus 4n into n minus 7, right? And this is basically n square into n minus 7, yeah. So that is what we are trying to do through this. So basically we are eyeing for this n minus 7 terms first. So this we can write as n square minus 4n plus 4, and this will be n minus 7, yeah. And this is simply, this is a very small formula, n square, so a square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So this is 2 into n into 2 plus 2 square, right? So this is simply, this will be simply n minus 2 whole square into n minus 7, right? So that is where we ended up. Now see, what is this? This is n cube minus 11n square plus 32n minus 28. This has turned out to be n minus 7 into n minus 2 whole square, right? Now you consider this equation once. So this is x minus 7 into x minus 2 whole square, right? So what is this equation? Basically this expressed in terms of x. Now if you have a graph, let us say this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now you see the roots is simply two terms. One is 2, another is 7 somewhere, right? Now how does generally a graph look for a cube term is basically n cube, right? Here also it will be in some terms of x cube. So this is x cube minus 11x square plus 32x minus 28, right? So generally how does it look? Generally it will take something like this. When x is like coefficient of x is positive, in case it is not positive, it generally takes something like this. Okay, cube graphs go like this. What is the difference? Here at infinity it will go to a negative term, here at infinity it will go to a positive term, right? Yeah, but the point is where these points meets the x-axis. Those are the roots of these equations, right? So here the roots are 2 and 7, but these root has a square term associated with it. That means this point, this will be something like this. So this will be something like this. Okay, you can think it in such a way that at this point this graph will cross the x-axis twice, right? Now that you have the graph form, what is the ask? We have to make this greater than 0. Now for which values it is greater than 0? This onwards. For all these values it is equals to or less than 0, right? Even at the point 2 it is equals to 0. So the smallest integer at 7 it is exactly equals to 0. So 7 on 2, we have to take the next integer, which is 8, right? So our answer in this case needs to be 8, yeah. So this is how we are solving this problem, through graph theory and a little bit of making the product, the splitting the expression into different products, yeah. Hopefully that this helps you a bit. In that case, leave a like, share, subscribe if you would like to. That helps me a lot. And thank you for watching this one. I will see you in a new video with a new problem. Okay, bye for now.